this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove sites and apps excluded from Hotspot Shield VPN. So if you had set or selected some sites to be bypassed by this Hotspot Shield VPN, and now you wish to go ahead and remove them from this list, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to do this, go ahead and launch your Hotspot Shield VPN and then head to settings once you are logged into your account. If you click on settings, choose this option split tunneling, and here you can see bypass VPN is turned on, and currently 2 apps and sites have been selected. To see the list, go ahead and click on it, and now we have these 2. I'll wish to remove them. To remove them, you'll have to disable them from here. So here I'll go ahead and click under each and then remove them, and also go to the next and remove it. And now they will all go through this VPN because I've removed them. So that's how you can remove excluded apps from Hotspot Shield VPN. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.